How to fix if some Excel options are grayed out. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Then go to File located on top left corner of your screen. Then click on More, which is the last option. Then click on Options. In here, simply click on Advanced, which is below Accessibility. Scroll all the way down in Advanced till you find Display Options for this workbook. Make sure For Objects Show is All, and you're good to go. Simply click on OK and you're done. That's how you fix if some Excel options are grayed out. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.